Oh, come on, Pam. Good morning. Taking the dog for a walk, but I wanted to show you. Oh, look at that. What can you see? Isn't it beautiful? I wanted to show you. The sun's coming up here and it's beautiful, and it's it's just great at the moment. I love autumn. I love the leaves and the berries, and that sunrise is just wonderful. But look at this. This is a great hedge. It's majority of this hedge is holly. Hello, Poe. Come on, pumpkin. So it's cold. It's a chilly one today. It's about 3 degrees when I've just been out in the car, and it's not too early. It's about, I don't know, 7ish, 8ish. Look at that oak. I love the colour of oak this time of year. It is wonderful. And we need this, where are you? And we need this cold snap. The plants need it, the animals need it. It gets rid of colds, it starts germination off. It is a fantastic time of year. And the good thing is you always know where you are on a day like this. You know, you look outside, there's ice all over the cars, there's ice everywhere. And yeah, you're going to be cold, so wrap up warm. And that's great. I'd rather that than a summer's day that's freezing cold. Because, yeah, but I've got to show you these. Look at the rust. Look at the rust on these oaks. They are the most beautiful tree. And it's lovely. How you doing? Good sniffing? Good sniffing, Poe? And this is just gorgeous. So we've got a holly there. We've got some sort of bush that's gone crazy there. This is the oak right above. And look at the sun on that. The sunshine has just... And where's my sunrise? My sunrise is up there. It's beautiful. Beautiful. So, tell you what, I'm going to go back down. Look, look at that. Look at that. Fab. That's me. Each time you breathe and it's coming out your mouth. How cool. Right, Pow, we're going to go another way. We'll go up the other lane. So, busy week this week. Lots to do. Did a fair bit Saturday. Did a bit in the workshop yesterday. A couple of bits to do at home first today. And then I'm going to get, I don't know, 2 or 3 videos out over the course of the next 5 days. Yeah, it's all looking pretty good actually. Really good. Yeah, really good. There you go. Everything's looking really good. Don't know whether you can see me. I don't know why I'm doing that. Don't know whether that's too close or too far away. I don't know. But when you've got a morning and a view like that, it's a wonderful little place. This is wonderful little place. Look at the berries on this. This is just covered in red berries. The birds are going to love this one. As I say, all the way up here, pretty much all the way up on the left hand side is holly, and it's such a wonderful place for wildlife. That's probably why wildlife is so abundant here. You come in, Pam. Because of all the berries. Look at that. It's fabulous. Right, let's take you another way. Catch you up in a minute. And then there's leaves on the ground. I mean, these are just wonderful. Don't we love leaves on the ground? Oh, I do. I do. I think it's just, you know, the greens of spring and summer are great, but oh, these colours. Just, it's funny, isn't it? I mean, it's that time of year when people think things are dying off and whatever, but actually this is the start. You know, the those seeds that need that cold spell. You come in, Poe. She's just sniffing. Sometimes she just sniffs. Sniffs and sniffs and sniffs. And she thinks it's me. She thinks I'm the funny one. Poe, what are you doing? She's winding around my legs. Got to show you this. This oak tree is the most beautiful, one of the most beautiful oak trees around. I've estimated it about 400 years old. It's pretty big, it's pretty huge, and the wildlife in there and around it is pretty spectacular. I think they say there's about 2,000 bugs and things, different bugs and things that are all over these sort of trees, which is pretty amazing. But it's got a lovely... You come in, don't start eating stuff, Poe. It's got a look at the trunk and the way all the branches come off. It's just, that'd be fantastic for a tree house. Oh, you could build a fantastic tree house in there. If we get to the trunk itself, it's probably I'm going to say it's about 5 foot, but yeah, about 5 foot diameter, which is a number, so probably 15 foot circumference. So it's pretty big. Oh, look at the birds coming in. Come on, let's go across here, shall we? You come in, Poe. This is nice. This is look at all the oak leaves. Oak leaves are just spectacular, aren't they? Hey, look at that. What do you think of them, Poe? Do you like oak leaves, Poe? Oh, okay. I bet you'd love to come off the lead, wouldn't you? Would you? I don't want to go back yet. Come on. Keep walking. She's tying me up. Look, she wraps. Oh, dear. My fault, didn't train you well enough, did I? And I love the patches of where a tree will suddenly drop. So can you see this lovely yellow patch here? So this tree up here is obviously just shed loads. So you're walking along this rusty carpet of leaves, and then it suddenly goes quite yellow, which is nice. You see the sheep? I don't know what you can see. So this is Worcestershire. This is Worcestershire, isn't it, Poe? Let's get some good sniffs in. Yeah, look at all this yellow now on top of it. The only thing I don't like about this time of year is if people don't clean their dog stuff up. And you're walking along and suddenly... I mean, look at that. Poe? She's excellent at ignoring me. So she does excel at some things. Poe, this way. Brilliant at ignoring me. So I can't fault her for that. Can I? What's she doing? Come on, Trouble. Look at that little face. She wants to go home already. It's just like, Dad, it's too cold. Come on, more walking. So here's the oak from another angle. And I think if you've seen some of my previous ones, I'll show you actually. There's two more fabulous oaks around here, and I really should do them as a walk and take a tape measure with me and get some stats on them. This one is 400 years old or so. There's one just there in the middle of a field. That's probably similar age to this one. But then just behind it, in that green field there, you can just see a few bits stick up. That one there is nearly 700 years old. 660 something years old at least. And that's huge. That's absolutely huge. I'll take you down there one of the days. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed the walk. If you like these walks and like this sort of bits and pieces like this, just message me, put something in the comments below and have a chat. You know, life's too short, and I'm underneath an oak tree, so this is watching the sunrise under an oak tree. Hey, what could be better? Oh, dog running off, silly girl. What could be better? Right, like, share and all the other stuff. Cheers. I should have shown you that just behind the tree is the moon up there. So it's actually a brilliant day. Sunrise under an oak tree, moon behind you. It is cool.